Most of you will know this, but I was really slim and desired to add weight because people felt that my parents, especially my mom, wasn't taking care of me well. Let's just say I mixed both healthy and unhealthy eating. Mostly unhealthy though, and boom, I added weight and I loved it. Then I was bullied online, and I won't lie, it really affected me. And I later fell sick, and one of the medical advice I was given by my doctor was to lose the same weight that I suffered to add. I decided to get and research interesting meals that I can eat, enjoy, and also lose weight. And boom, I found it with the help of my friends that are dietitians and of course my husband. And for sure, I'm going to be sharing some of them with you today. My people, welcome to my channel. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much and welcome back. And for you subscribers, you are welcome. And for sure, I have a lot of things to share with you like what we are doing today. So if you don't want to miss any of it, quick ring that bell. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 of my quick breakfast recipes that helped me lose weight. I was 107 and now I'm in 99. And I was able to achieve this in 2 months. Body types differ, but this is what helped me with discipline, exercise, and with good food. So let's go into it. So one of my go-to breakfasts every time, every day, very simple for me to make, is the Nigerian vegetable scrambled egg. You will understand why I say it is Nigerian. So for this recipe, what I'll be using is 2 eggs, some tomatoes, pepper, onions, olive oil, and ugu. You have seen the Nigeria flavor, right? Yep. So first off, I'm going to put in my oil and I'm going to add in my onions. I'll stir fry it, then I'll put in my tomatoes and my peppers. So I add my bell peppers and then I stir it and add my salt or my seasoning. And then I beat my eggs and poured it into it. You know, turned it so that it will scramble well, and I added my washed ugu. Now the essence of making it this way is my vegetable has to be more than the egg, and I had to eat this with 2 slices of bread. It was so filling and I enjoyed it. My second go-to breakfast is oats. Now I make this oats differently. I make it with a little bit of chia seeds and I mix them with fruits and I mix them with nuts. All you just need to do is to add your oats, your chia seeds, cook them well. You can cook them in water or in almond milk. I cooked mine in almond milk. And then I garnished it with the fruits that I have available in the house. You can use any fruit of your choice. I enjoyed this and it is really filling. Like, it is so filling and very delicious. I did add sugar. If I want to have that sweet flavor, I eat it with banana instead. The third one is parfait, and I use it with Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is actually high in protein and it is very filling. I'm actually emphasizing on filling because I like food and I don't want to be hungry. So I need to eat something that will make me full, okay? I'm using Greek yogurt for this recipe. You can use akamo if you want to. A low-carb granola, and I added groundnuts and then garnished it with some fruits, and I am good to go. See, if you eat this one, it is really filling. Imagine eating this every other morning and you are exercising and you are drinking lots of water. Trust me, you will lose weight because you are eating foods that are low in calories, low in carbs, high in protein, and of course it is filling and it will make you not to binge eat. I believe this was helpful, so don't be selfish. Share this to everyone on your timeline. See ya!